welcome back to the channel. Here I'm cleaning out the inside of my Nissan Altima. I hope you guys can see me pretty good here. Just gonna give y'all a little more light using a vacuum cleaner. Alright, there we go there. My question now, how I'm gonna hang this thing. I'm vacuuming the carpets here, as you guys can see. Show y'all how good this Walmart Hyper 2 vacuum cleaner is. This thing pulls pretty good on these new carpets, newer car carpets, I would say. Does a pretty good job at pulling. You can see right here, doing pretty good here. I could use it to kind of clean the inside of the doors and everything out here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, let's see. Okay, Hyper Tough coming in action. Here we go. Pull the napper real good on these carpets. You see there how I did it. Put something nap, all these new cars, nap flat on them, You see here. Right. Check that out. Thing's backing up real good here. Bring the nap out. You see? Pretty strong, man. Bring it up high. Guys, see, I can use it and back it out my cup holders. Look at there, how strong it is. Y'all see that? Thing's powerful, man. Alright. There you have it. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. The next time, I'm out of here. Peace.